Hello everybody, I am Dr. Puneet CS, consultant neurologist at Sri Gokulam Hospital, Salem. Today I will be talking on headache syndrome. So what is headache? So headache is any pain which is experienced in the scalp or surrounding facial structures. So there are variety of causes for headache. So most common one being migraine. Sometimes we get other common symptom causes like sinusitis headache, tension type headache. Patient can have severe problem or a dangerous problem like any pathology in the brain. It can be in the form of tumor, or it can be in the form of blockage of the blood vessels, or a routine stroke also can present with headache. So depending upon various characteristic of the headache, we characterize what is the type of headache or headache syndrome. So most common one being migraine headache. So this is one of the most common headache syndrome which is seen world over. So most of the time they present with one side of the face headache. Along with that, it will be episodic headache, it will be a throbbing headache, and it comes in episodes and usually lasts around 4 to 72 hours. So if not treated. So this is always associated with accompanying symptoms like vomiting, nausea. Sometimes they can have severe flashes of light, we call it as aura, and also patient can have severe irritation to the light, severe irritation to the phonetic sounds. So these are classical symptoms known as photophobia or phonophobia. So patient also will be in a state wherein they will always restrict the movement, whatever activity they are doing, and they will try to lay still in a darker environment. So this is usually seen with patients in the age group of teenage age group at the surrounding puberty up to a menopausal area in the ladies, and subsequently reduces. Around 90% of patients will have history of migraine in their family history. So family history is very crucial in patients with this hemicranial headache or migraine. So whenever a classical migraine patient comes, always if you see their family members, most of them will also be affected. So how do you treat this migraine? Migraine we treat with medications. It can be in the form of acute treatment of migraine like painkillers. Subsequently we give certain medications to prevent further attacks. So this call we take when the patient is having recurrent headache, like for example around 7 to 8 attacks in a month or 6 to 8 attacks in a month, which is hampering the day-to-day activity of the person. So then we have, along with the medications, we also advise them lifestyle changes in the form of day-to-day exercise. Yoga helps a great deal in migraine treatment. Subsequently, certain individuals who are having very resistant headache, certain newer medications have come known as Botox that can also be tried with migraine. So then there comes tension type headache. This is another common type of headache. There's tension type of headache wherein there is spasm of the one side of the occipital area of the head, and patient have lot of psychosocial issues. In those individuals we use some antidepressants, along with we also get one psychiatric consult. Then there are headaches which harbinger a severe problem or a dangerous problem. Those headaches are if the patient is having headache in the night, an excruciating headache. Sometimes patient will have an headache wherein they will tell that this is one of the worst headache in their lifetime, that you call it as thunderclap headache. In those scenario it warrants imaging. So all types of headache doesn't require imaging, but many a times these type of symptoms like excruciating headache, worst headache of their life, and headache which is late onset. For example, if the patient is experiencing the headache beyond 30 years or 40 years, we should do investigation. So how do you investigate headache syndromes? We investigate with imaging. It can be in the form of CT scan or MRI. MRI gives a better picture, and sometimes we also do vascular imaging in the form of MRI angiography or CT angiography. It gives still more further information what is the cause for headache. So after diagnosing what is the headache and what is the cause for headache, what is the type of headache, then we treat accordingly. Like for example, if the tumor is there, we remove the tumor. If there is a stroke, like for example a blockage in the blood vessel, we give blood thinners. If the same way there is another type of stroke known as cerebral venous thrombosis, there also we give blood thinners in the form of heparin. So subsequently, in some individuals also require, along with medication, some surgical treatment also. So headache syndrome needs to be recognized in all, like the public should know that what is the type of headache, like at least when to consult a doctor. Sometimes, many a time they will always think that it's a sinus headache or a routine headache, and then they will think that if they sleep that will be all right. So sometimes this headache might be a cause for a serious problem. So immediately when you recognize these symptoms, immediately consult a doctor so that proper treatment can be given. So thank you.